Here's a great activity to do with your child. You can do this as soon as they can start writing their numbers. And what you want to do is these here, what this child is doing are the ones. So basically adding 1 to each number. So technically you want to start at 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, so on and so forth. Then what you do, there should be 4 columns. The next column, you switch the add-ins around and you're going to get the same sum. That's the commutative property. So now instead of 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2 is 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Then what you do is you move to subtraction. You walk it backwards. If you had 1 plus 0 equals 1, now you do 1 minus 0 equals 1. And then if you had 0 plus 1 equal 1, you do 1 minus 1 equals 0. So you're going to end up with 2 columns of addition, 2 columns of subtraction. Now, if you want to get really into this and start preparing like your 5-year-olds, maybe even 4-year-olds, 6-year-olds, 7-year-olds for the algebra properties, you can have them label that's the commutative property when you switch those add-ins around. You can label the parts of the equation, add-ins and sum for addition. For subtraction, you have minuend, subtrahend, difference, or remainder. Circle a row. When you circle a row, that's going to give you a fact family. 2 addition facts, 2 subtraction facts. Underneath, I'm going deep with this, underneath you can put addition and subtraction are inverse operations of each other. Using that language, it'll take a while, maybe you do a little bit at a time. But if they were to practice this drill every day, eventually they'll get to a point where it only takes them 5 minutes to do this. If they're doing this every day, it's really going to help with their fluency skills and the speed at which they're able to do calculations, which is very important. Although mathematics is not about speed, but that fluency skill, it is important. You can also go up top where they have 0 plus 1. That is the identity property of addition. Adding to 0, you get the same value. These are properties that you use in algebra. So a great drill here to do with your children. This is a picture of a parent out of Virginia actually sent me this. I showed her how to do this with her child. She started to implement it 1 column at a time. You can do the same. Let's get our babies right with this mathematics stuff. When we do, they will be ready for the careers of the future. They will be mathematically confident and mathematically literate, which is what we need. Oh, and check us out at blackmathgenius.com, blackmathgenius.com. Make sure you follow us as well. We're on all of your social medias at Black Math Genius. Thank you.